What do the odds that a coin toss comes up heads, or that one team defeats another, or that someone throws a rock in rock, paper, scissors have in common? They can all be calculated, explained, and even predicted by statistical methods and analyses. In these lessons on data as it relates to statistics, you'll learn how to add impact and make your presentations more effective by using various charts and tables to visualize your data. You'll discover how to detect current trends and patterns and forecast future trends for your organization or industry by learning how variables interact and how to analyze them. And you'll understand how you and your organization can make better decisions and solve problems by looking at the situations through statistical analysis and data distribution methods.